Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we went and got something. I don't know if you guys can. There we go. Alright, so we went and got something today. Make sure you go support us because we're gonna need every bit of your guys' help because we are gonna be restoring this boat. Restoring is we're gonna get it running, we're gonna clean it up, redo the floor, and basically that's all we're gonna do to it. We're gonna get it running first, make sure she's gonna run, then we gotta do the floor. This is absolutely disgusting. See, no floor. But that is a big pile of dirt, as you see right here. Dirt. So we're gonna clean this out. I'm gonna spread, that is the top for it. I'm not gonna use that, it looks disgusting. So we're gonna spread it out right here. I'm gonna throw all my junk on it, and we're gonna pull it out. But as you see, we have no floor here. We'll go a little more in depth. It's a 25 foot. I can see us right now. You know, yeah. So has a little bit of character. According to this, it only has 749 hours on it. Done with all this stuff before. We're gonna see what we can. We're gonna see what is left in here. Haha, we got keys. All right, let's see. I'm assuming it's this old plain Jane key. Yep, that's it. So it's not too bad. We got keys. Yeah. Don't know what none of this does. This is, yeah. But we got a boat, boys and girls. We got a boat, ladies and gentlemen. And we got a plug. We found the plug. We're gonna just shut this back up. Because all this is getting out of here. Maybe not today, but definitely in the future. Because I like to be able to get all this stuff out. And all this dangly stuff out of here. You're done. You know, get them out of here. Basically, get this all cleaned out so we can get to repairing. But first, we're gonna open this up like I said. That way we can start throwing stuff in there. Go down in the comments below. Tell me what color we should change it to. Because no one likes this orange, do they? The orange. I don't like it. Oh, it is orange, ain't it? Alright, so we're gonna go spread that out and we'll catch you guys. Alright, so we got this laid out all the way to the front. It's a 25 footer. So we're gonna do a little time lapse here. Somewhere. we might be in and over our heads. Don't know for sure yet. Gonna grab this ATF. Got some ATF here. We're gonna put down the carburetor. Probably shouldn't be doing down the carburetor, but you know what? It'll get into the freaking cylinders. So now we're gonna go to the cylinders, put some ATF in it. Hopefully it frees it up. I guess it could have been the alternator or the water pump, or could be the water pump that was froze up. But we're gonna just do this, just be safe. We're doing this because of for safety reasons. We're doing this. I don't even know exactly where this first cylinder is. On this side, it doesn't look the block to be cracked or anything, so we're going to go to the other side, see how that one looks. This side looks good, so kind of looking like we're gonna have to pull this motor out, freshen it up, or just get a 350, something I'm comfortable with. I'm a Ford guy, so not going against you guys Ford guys, but not my expertise. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. Might take off these belts just to see if it is. Or we might have just bought a hunk of junk. Hopefully not. Because I'm probably not going to come back on this one. Not at all. So we're going to put some motor oil in it. Maybe not. We'll let that transmission fluid sit down in there. Give it a couple days. Yeah. So we're going to just do that. Sounds good to me. Alright guys, so phone had to take a break. It overheated on me, so now we're back out here. Did a little bit more. I'll show you guys what I've done. Right now we're doing something different because this outside looks disgusting. I want to try to make it at least look presentable. But that is what we have done. Completely gutted almost. Motor still no go. But as you see all this stuff. I want to get it cleaned up. We put the little bikini top on it just to see. So we're gonna give it a bath. We're gonna take these off just so we can get right here. And they'll basically go right back on. Well, I guess they don't have to go on right now. So we got one off. Now we gotta go over here and do this other one. The reason why we put these on is so the boat doesn't bounce on the back end of the trailer. If you guys are new and you guys don't know about boats, I grew up around boats. Me and my dad both actually got the same kind of boat. Our very first boat is the same brand. So, kind of following his footsteps. You gotta sneeze. Maybe. Nope, just tired. If any of you guys don't know, I worked last night. I worked this morning. I didn't work this afternoon because I had to get up at 4:30 or 4:20. This is what time I actually got up to go pick this thing back up with my brother. Didn't film any of that because, you know, it was on the side of the hot road, and you know, safety is always key, so we didn't worry about it. So we're gonna switch over, let you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so there we have it. We got one. Looks a lot better versus. Alright guys, so we got the boat done. I'll let you get. We didn't actually get the boat all the way done. I did not get up there because I've been scrubbing. My arms are freaking wore out, but there it is. So much cleaner. I got this as much as I could, but looks a lot cleaner. So we're gonna put this back on. We're gonna go eat. Let this dry. And let me know if you guys like this. It's going to be a build series, so make sure you guys go hit that like button, go subscribe, and probably be back out here in a little bit. We got a lot of stuff to do. I got to do a lot of research, so I could tell you about the story of this boat, but I don't think you guys want to hear it. So if you guys do want to hear it, go in the comments, tell me, say tell a story or something like that. But otherwise, we'll catch you guys all on the next one.